Here's a pair of these Sony LinkBuds clip earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and put these earbuds in the pairing mode. So both the buds are in a case. Let me open these up. I'll know if it's in pairing mode if it's blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, however, I get a green light here and then it goes solid green light, then it goes off. So let me just manually put this in a pairing mode. I'll leave the buds in the case. In the back here, you see that little round button. I'm going to press and hold that button until it starts blinking blue, 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 blue here. Okay, so here's the button. Ready, go. Press and hold. Just keep holding and now wait. Wait. Blue, 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 blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Okay, now if this pops up here, you can go ahead and connect that way. All right. If not, no biggie. We can go the other way. Just go directly to your settings. Go to connections, at least for this phone here. Then you want to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. And that spinny thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. And it should show up here in available devices. Okay, and it did find a LinkBuds clip right there. I mean, it's still in pairing mode. It did find it. So let's tap on right there. With these Android phones, we should get a pairing request. What happened here? Let me tap that again. It says pairing. Okay, we get a pairing request. Let's tap on pair. And voila, we should be connected. There we go. LinkBuds clip. It says it's connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always perform a factory reset. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.